Friends, welcome to Social Science class 10th. Student, we were discussing about political party. Now, what type of political party, national parties we have? First is All India Trinamool Congress. Students, you need to recall or learn those the important thing when parties was formed, who was the leader, and in which state it has its influence. So these things you have to remember. Next is Bahujan Samaj Party, again that thing which I have told you earlier, who formed, in which year, and in which state it has its influence. So for example, this party Bahujan Samaj Party has its influence in Uttar Pradesh mainly, and some part of Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, and Delhi and Punjab. It is Bahujan Samaj Party. It secured how many? This also need to learn that how many seats were secured in Lok Sabha election. Means how many votes were taken by this party. Next is BJP. When it is formed, it was earlier known as Bharatiya Janasangh, formed by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951, and this party is the major party in India nowadays, which is ruling our country nowadays, and it is inspired by ancient culture of India. Deendayal Upadhyay's idea of integral human and Antyodaya means they wanted to have an Hindutva culture integration of Hinduism, and they wanted to have unify Kashmir as a part of Indian federal system. They wanted to have one civil code, one rule, one country, one rule. They have proved it, and in the recent month they have violated that 370, which is occupied Jammu and Kashmir for a long. So it has major party having National Democratic Alliance, leader of NDA. You will hear the NDA government, which is consist of BJP and several other parties which are with alliance with this party. It got 303 seats in 2019 Lok Sabha election and ruling our country. Next is Communist Party of India. Communist Party formed in 1925, believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy. Marxism and Leninism you have read in 9th chapter, Russian Revolution. Oppose the forces of succession and communalism. Accept parliamentary democracy as mean of the promoting interest of working class. And it is became weak in 1964, led to the formation of CPIM. Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are some region where this party is having some influence. It got only 2 seats in 2019. Next is Communist Party, Marxist. It formed in 1964 after splitting up from CPI. And this party is not so powerful as its earlier party. Leninism support socialism, secularism, democracy and oppose imperialism and communism. So it enjoy majority of seats in Vidhan Sabha in West Bengal, Kerala, and especially among these poor factor workers and farmers, agricultural labor and intelligentsia. It got only 1.75% of votes and 3 seats in 2019 election. So students, you need to learn these things also. Indian National Congress Party, all of you know Indian National Congress Party. This party is formed in 1885, and it played important role in independence of India and the politics of India. Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, it helped India to become free, and it is the major party and ruling party in till 1977. Then from 1980 to 89, after 89, its support decline, and but it continued to be throughout the country. It is the major party of the country along with the BJP. BJP is also an important party of India, and it is the leader of UPA, Union Progressive Alliance. It formed government from 2014 to 19 in 2019 election. Sorry, here we have to write 14. In 2019 Lok Sabha election, it got only to 52 seats independently. Next is NCP. It is the major party of Maharashtra, formed in 1999. Yes, escaped from unspilled from Congress party. Believed in democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice, federalism, and they split up from main party of Congress, and significant presence in Meghalaya, Manipur, Assam, and nowadays it is the coalition partner of Maharashtra's Alliance Congress and member of Union Progressive Alliance. So these were national party. Now state parties. Other than these 7 parties we have discussed, there are more parties at the state level. Election Commission has registered some of the state parties. From reading you will get some of the points which are discussed in this topic, and we can get the idea of state party from this map also. This is Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, and Jammu and Kashmir National Panther Party, Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party. In the same manner we come to Punjab. In Punjab there is Aam Aadmi Party, Shromani Akali Dal, National Congress. In Haryana, Lok Dal. In many other states there are, for example in Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party. In many other states, many regional parties are there which are having their own power at the local level or state level. So these are state parties. Now challenges to political party. What challenges are faced by political party? There are many challenges faced by them. First is lack of internal democracy. Students, if we look at the political party system, there is no democratic system of political parties composition, because the power in the political party is concentrated in the few leaders who are at the top. Power is concentrated in the party's top leader. They do not keep membership register. This question can be asked: what are the first drawback of first challenge of political party? That is lack of internal democracy, in which first point is the concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top, who are the most important leader of the party. They are having more powers. They do not have a register, they do not have organizational meeting, they do not conduct internal election regularly. Ordinary member of the party do not get sufficient information on what happen inside the party. They are unaware of this, so they do not have the mean or any connection needed to influence few leaders of the party. Political party exercise paramount power, means they exercise extreme power. Here is the cartoon mentioned here, which is as कठपुतली का खेल जो आपने देखा होगा, उसमें क्या एक लीडर जो होता है वो सभी को नचाता रहता है, एक इम्पोर्टेंट लीडर। उसी तरह से होता है लैक ऑफ इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी में, यही होता है। नेक्स्ट चैलेंज इज द मनी and muscle power. There is for second challenge, that is dynastic succession. Dynastic succession is related to first one, means those leaders who are at top, they gave their position to their sons and daughters. They remain in power. As you can see, Sonia Gandhi is in Congress, and her son is the leader of Congress again. At the next step, on the other hand, at state level, there was a party which was INLO in Haryana, Indian National Lok Dal. After Devilal, his son Om Prakash Chaurala lead the party. So this is the second challenge. Third is money and muscle power. You can read the use of money and muscle power. क्या हाल है जी? Money and muscle power. This is the another challenge to the political parties. Money. Next is lack of meaningful choice. You will see at the central level, state level, as well as at the local level, the people who are present to contest election, they are not as per our choice, but we are forced to choose them. So it means we do not have meaningful choice, because we do not have another choice to elect people. That is why we do not have meaningful choice. So student, you need to read this again. Next is, how can parties be reformed? This question can be asked. How parties be reformed? Recent efforts, suggestion in our country to reform political parties. What suggestions are made? So let us look at some of the recent effort and suggestion in our country to reform political parties and its leaders. First is, Constitution was amended to prevent defection. Means when any leader of political party change his or her party after winning in the election, it is mandatory for MLAs and MPs. They cannot change their political party after winning an election. If they do, their candidature can be cancelled. So defection can be seen from there. Here it is, definition is given. You can read. No MLA or MP can change his or her party after winning an election. Next is, a law should be made to regulate the internal affairs of political parties. It should be made compulsory for political party to maintain a register. As we have discussed, there was a challenge that they do not keep a register. They had to keep register, and everybody has independent authority to act as a judge in case of party dispute. It should be made mandatory for political party to give a minimum number of tickets to about 1/3 to women. Next is, there should be state funding of election. Nobody can use, it is suggestion, it is not mandatory, nobody can use his or her own money. Only they have to they will submit their money to the election commission of the state, and after that state authority will release the amount of money, whatever money they required. So this is another suggestion. So in this manner we can have we can prevent the wars. So it is the method. Ordinary citizens, pressure groups, as we have discussed, whatever pressure groups and movements and the media can play important role for political party to work properly in the public. So in this manner political party can be changed. So students, you need to learn this, read this chapter. We will conduct a test also. So this chapter is completed. Thank you.